So it's just a stunning Sunday, June 3rd, 2018 morning. So I'm not going to do any fancy edits. I'm just going to do a little voiceover narration as I walk you around in my small suburbia backyard lot. Everything back here I did myself. When I bought this house in 2006, this was just a big dirt pile basically. No backyard fence. Not many of the houses in the subdivision were even built yet. So one thing I did this spring is dug all this out around this plant here. I don't even know what the name of this plant is. A gardenia, I guess. And put some vincas in there. There's my 1,200 watt solar panel array. 12 Renogy RNG 100D monocrystalline solar panels. Pointing at that German flag was my first duty assignment, and the second one there, Italy, my second duty assignment. This corner back here, I used to have a tree, and so I still have some grass issues. I'm trying to get some of that Bermuda to crawl and grow back there. Elephant ear, citronella, beans, muskmelon. Look at the size of these elephant ears already. June 3rd. Just been slowly adding soil in that flower bed there. It's my nasturtium flowers. Here's one of my garden pond flower beds. Got a lot of vincas, and a lot of stuff came up from last year, which I thought was great. But I put in a whole bunch of red and white vincas. I also have banana tree, some elephant ears, a fern, some citronella right there. That's my 12 volt bilge pump spraying water in there. There's another little banana plant right there. That's my 12 volt garden pond solar generator system with a couple hundred watts in Renogy solar panels. Rose bush. And here's my laundry rack 50 watt solar panel. The one on top is barely working, and the one on the bottom is not working. So I got a refund on that purchase and went with a Renogy Eclipse 100 watt fold 'em up suitcase deal. So I'm hanging nasturtiums. Got a little palm back there in the corner I just did. Transplanted some flowers back there. This is my main solar array, 2,400 watts, 24 solar panels. Kicking butt. Built that about 2.5 years ago. Still working on some spots back here that need some attention. They're doing fine. I water like crazy. And here is the other little garden pond that I did last year late. This year everything's coming in good, but I need your help. What is this plant? I am not quite sure if it's a sunflower or a weed or whatever. I got two of them here that are just shooting right up. Please tell me if you know what they are. This is my live well for fish, which didn't make it. I may do like 5 or 6 fish. Like, all it does is bubble air into the pond there. This is my ammo can that contains the 12 volt live well air pump. Now let's go inside here, I'll show you. That ammo can is a Chinese piece of junk. It's already rusting out. This is, your typical boat live well right there. 12 volt pump just wired up. I also have a power socket, meter, and a switch. I can turn it off. I just use landscaping wire. I believe it's 12-2 out to this pump. Works great. Stays on 24/7. Sounds great too. Lots of good stuff in this garden pond there. Back here in the corner, there's my little cubby hole. I used to have a gate back there, but now it's all closed off and up high. So I just throw some stuff. I got 2 window air conditioners that are on solar power. Right there I'm pointing toward some potatoes that I planted. Literally I just cut up a couple of potatoes and just threw them in the ground. Crepe myrtle is going to come in beautiful this year. And down here I've got, let's see, basil, tomato, citronella, strawberries, and I think that's kale, catnip. I'll do a close-up here. The cats absolutely love it, so I had to put some bamboo stakes around them because they'll lay in it. Some more basil, sweet potato vines, elephant ears, my noise barrier for the air conditioner, and here is my Rand solar ovens, which I made last year, and I use those just about every other day. Here's Coco. Just gave her a haircut, which she absolutely loves. She's 12 years old. When I bought the house new, went down to animal shelter, and she was one of those throwaway kittens nobody wanted, and she has been my best friend for 12 years. Absolutely loves getting her hair cut and laying out in the sun. Yeah, these babies are doing great. Probably make some muffins today. Up here I have some chocolate mint, some parsley, I believe, some more herbs down here. I think this is catnip or oregano, I don't know, but they're growing and it's good. And back here I cleaned all this. I had some wood stacked in that back corner there. I got rid of all that. That's my George Foreman electric grill, which also runs off my solar power circuit. And this is recent. What I just did, in fact last night, is I got this patio kind of straightened around. New seat cushions, really comfortable. Oh my goodness. So I took the little 19-inch LCD TV off the table. It's my micro solar generator system there that powers my Insignia 32-inch LED TV. It works really, really good. So I've been working on the wires. There's a speaker right there. I want to do another Bluetooth outdoor speaker for right there. The sound isn't, it's okay, it's just not that great. So I just mounted it on the 4x4 here. Got the wires all up there. It's a pretty cool power strip. It has USB on it. And for rain protection, I just put my raincoat over it and strap it down. There's my rain collection system, which I just fill up the rain bucket and water stuff. Oh, this is something really cool. It's a 10-foot mini USB charging cable that I'm sitting here at the table smoking a cigarette, drinking a cup of coffee. It charges with my micro solar generator system. It has turbocharging, so it's a rapid charger. Alright, gonna wrap this up. Thanks for watching, and appreciate you guys watching my video. My house isn't anything special, and the backyard is just a small suburbia lot in a cookie cutter kind of neighborhood. So, but you just make do with what you got and enjoy growing season and doing your thing. And hopefully this video inspires you with your own backyard creations. We'll see you next time. Later.